Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So I have 4 boxes to open and look at the beautiful colors of all of the packaging. These are all beauty boxes. 3 are monthly boxes, so the December boxes, and then 1 is a limited edition holiday box. Before we get started, I just want to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and cats. My cat will probably be joining us. Her name is Emmy, and she hasn't been feeling well. She's been a little itchy, but she's feeling better. That's why I've been absent the past few days. Hi, Emmy. There she is. You feeling better? But anyways, I hope you guys all had a great holiday. And one more thing, if you guys notice, I look discolored. I woke up and I looked in the mirror and I haven't really been feeling that well myself. I'm fine, just like a little lethargic. But I looked in the mirror and I had like splotches. I look like yellow in spots. And I thought, I assumed the worst right away. I forgot I use this, mist. It's supposed to be a gradual tanning mist, just like a spray. And I just, was like, oh, for funsies, I just sprayed it all around, and I totally forgot. But, yeah, I've got, weird spots, on my back and stuff, too. I was going to wear a sweater, but it's 81 here today, and I was like, whatever. You guys already know I'm weird, and, yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty bad. But anyways, let's get started. You feeling okay, Emmy? So we have Birchbox, Glossybox, the Glossybox limited edition holiday box, which, side note, all of their limited edition boxes that are still available are 20% off. Everything will be linked down below. I will add timestamps too. And then we have Look Fantastic. So yeah, and you guys look at the one bin. I bet you can tell what one's my favorite. But let's start off with Birchbox. So this is what the box looks like. Birchbox is $15 a month, and they usually have, depending on the month, some free gift with new subscribers or new subscriptions, but usually I have to subscribe for at least 6 or 12 months at a time. So I'll leave the link down below, and Birchbox was my very first subscription box. What about yours? 'Tis the season to be well. Holiday chaos is scratched off, holiday calm. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good holiday. I honestly kind of forgot it was Christmas because I was home with my cat. I'm going to see my family tomorrow, though. We have 6 items in here. Most of the items are deluxe size. Looks like all of them are. Maybe one's full size. And on here, it'll list a little description and the full size pricing. So what fell out? Ooh, it's by Uma Beauty. Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Oh, that just reminded me. I was just thinking, I usually put everything I get in Birchbox into my monthly giveaways. There's only a few days left if you're watching this in real time. I actually already put together January's box of goodies too, but I will leave the link down below to the giveaway video if you want to check that out next. And this is by Lucetta. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. It's supposed to be strengthening and conditioning. And by Hero, we have the Clear Collective Serum Toner. Orbe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. So a lot of the brands they feature are a little bit more higher end or expensive. So if you want to try things out before you commit to paying for the full size pricing, I think Birchbox is great for that. They also have customization for their boxes. You can get a curated box, pick a sample, or have it be a surprise. You can also swap out your box for a full-size item. They have been making some changes though, so I don't know if that's still the case. Aceology, sorry, I was showing you guys, not even looking at what it was. Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. I've gotten a few things from them. I do use their overnight lip mask, I guess, but I use it just as a daily lip balm. I really like overnight masks for that reason, lip masks. And then we have by Mercy Handy their hand sanitizer and Cross the Line. I have had multiple hand creams from them and their hand sanitizer in the orange scent or the citrus scent, and I really like it, so always happy to get this. But that was everything for Birchbox. I think they got one more item than usual. It's typically 5. But again, they're making some changes. I think they were bought by someone else. I don't really know. Sorry, sick brain. I feel like I've been super dumb lately. Not I shouldn't say dumb, but my memory is even worse than usual. I'm just fatigued. I slept a lot too, but I'm on the mend. But let's talk about Glossybox. Their last box of the season for December is insane. Usually it's a good quality hard cardboard this one right here. But now we have a tin, and you guys probably know how much I love the moon and astrology and all that. Look at it, how pretty it is. I think I'm going to use this. to like store crystals or something. Maybe some tarot cards. Even though I just reorganized, all my tarot cards are right over here, but I love this so much. And even the moon cycles on the back. Oh, there's a crystal around the moon too, and then some snowflakes. This is like just so me. I don't even care what's inside. I mean, I do, but like this just sold me. So I love that. They have really cool boxes and packaging sometimes, but usually it's not like this, like a tin. There's some advertisement, and then talks about everything inside here. The 2021 finale. Who else is ready for 2022? I so am. It's always tied on string. Oh, Emmy, want to play with this string? She's being checked. Oh, she's probably looking away because of the light. People want to see you. Come up here. Want to play with the string? No, where's the girl? Ooh, okay, so here's a little sneak peek. Looks like we have a brush by LaRousse. I do like their eye brushes. I have some of their face brushes, but they're not my favorite. This is a blending brush. They're LR120 tapered blending. Should I zoom out a little bit so you guys can see Emmy more? Emmy, come up here. No, or let's leave her be. Oh, nice. We have 2 dry shampoos by Batiste. I was just thinking earlier how I'm out of dry shampoo. I'm trying not to shampoo as much because I've been dyeing my hair, and this is what it looks like the first time I do it, but then every time I wash it, it gets like lighter and like more back to blonde. So I need to use dry shampoo more often, and I think I gave most of mine away. And Batiste, I've liked all the ones I've tried. This is the original one, Classic Clean. So happy to have that, and there's 2. I wonder if that was a mistake or not, but I'm happy with it. Then we have some tea by Vadam Teas, turmeric chamomile. Indian superfood with powerful curcumin. It's a precursor for turmeric, I believe. It's caffeine free. There's 2 of them. And then oh no, they're different. Turmeric chamomile, then there's turmeric ginger, and then lemon ginger. So ginger is really good if you have like a stomach ache or something like that. So this one does have caffeine, and it has green tea. The other 2 are just herbal teas that are caffeine free. We have a face palette. Oh my gosh, and look at the packaging, there's a moon on it. LA Splash Moonlight Glow 4 Shades Face Palette. So it looks like we have 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight, and the names are Midnight Rose, Blushing Luna, Bronze Goddess, and Ethereal. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is even cuter when you take off the outer packaging. Ah. And there's a mirror. Oh my gosh. I just love everything with them. I'm glad I decided to film. I almost didn't because I'm like, oh, people will probably tell I'm like lower energy, but this is making me feel better. Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Elemis has so many products, I realized, from subscription boxes. Their line, like, they have so many things. Like, I even have a hand wash. It's lasting, like, forever. That's in my bag. I think that's really good, but I think it's pretty expensive. So I love getting Elemis in boxes because it is an expensive brand that actually works really well, in my opinion. And then last product is New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish by Skin Research Laboratories. So I guess this is an exfoliating wash. And then I'm still like enamored by the box. You can see the Glossybox logo in there. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm gonna reuse this like literally right after this video. Now let's move on to the limited edition Glossybox. So the value, I wrote it down. Let me see if I can find it quick. But it's on sale for $28. It used to be like $38 or something like that. And then I had a code to get 30% off, and which reminds me, I'll tell you about the other Glossybox. But now there's a sale, so my code don't even use the link I'm going to leave down below if you're interested. 20% off all of their limited edition boxes. But the Glossybox I opened before, I got so distracted, is normally $21 a month, but I have a code to get, or a link that'll automatically apply the code to your cart for $16. But let's see, does it say? It's like $185 value or something like that, and it's really cute. It looks kind of like their advent calendars. It surprised me. So yeah, they have the cutest packaging for sure. Holiday limited edition. And I've opened several limited edition boxes from them. I'll take a look and see what ones are still available in that sale and link my videos down below if you guys want to check them out before purchasing. But yeah, I love this. And again, another string, but Emmy, you're not being really playful. I just got her a new like scratching pad thing that she loves. No? Okay. So here, the And then it talks about all the items inside, with a little note from the editors, and the tissue paper is gold. I love it. And let's see if I can show you without dropping everything. Here is a sneak peek. So if you guys did celebrate Christmas, did you get anything good? Or let me know what you did. So the first thing you have here is collagen eye patch. I need some more eye stuff. I used something new for my under eyes, and I like had a reaction. You can kind of see right here. I don't know. I don't want to show you too close, but it's like red and like raised, which is a bummer. So I'm going to be a little bit more cautious. But this is a hydrogel eye patch with collagen extract that firms and smooths the delicate skin area around the eyes. And then by Bloom Effects, we have the Dutch Dirt Mask. So there's a lot of stuff in here actually. Ooh, I see something I'm using right now. Wait a second. I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, I'm so glad I found it. I'm feeling so much better. I'm glad Emmy is too. By Valentino. Oh, we have a little perfume. I think mini perfumes are the cutest. I'm guessing this will have a cute look to it. Let's see. This is the Voce Viva Intensa. Yeah. It's not even that little. So much better than those little spray bottles we get that are usually not even like full. Those are legit like samples. Like this is just the deluxe size. Oh, and it's the pretty like studded top. Hopefully you can see. Let's smell it. I'm not going to spray it though because Emmy is right here. Oh, it's not even a spray. It's like a little dropper, which is nice unless I took that off. It smells good. For some reason, I was thinking it'd be like super overpowering, like some expensive perfumes, like rich grandma smell. I don't know. That's what I expected. But this is the item I tried, and I actually just tossed this the other day because there's like nothing left. And I've been in like major declutter and clean mode. This is by Terry. It's the Baume de Rose, but this is like it is definitely rose scented. So if you hate the smell of rose or fragrance lip products or products in general, you probably won't like this. But it's like a lip balm that's moisturizing and provides a little bit of shine. Yeah, and I like the smell of rose. But this is what I'm using right now. If it's the same thing, at least the same brand. Neolastin. Is this their moisturizer? Yeah, I just opened this the other day. I can't remember what box I got it from. Maybe it was Glossybox or Looks Fantastic. I don't know. I could list them all off. I don't remember one. But I actually finished my last moisturizer, and this is the one I opened, and I've been liking it so far. This is supposed to rejuvenate and hydrate. It's a moisturizing cream. I use this day and night, and so far so good. I don't know much about it, but I like how it came with something here. So this company, oh, it's the butterfly, and I love that transformation. I love butterflies. Maybe that's why it shows that. Oh my god, I don't even think I realized that. But maybe I somehow knew. But butterflies and dragonflies, I love so much. I love that they're about transformation, and also I just feel like there's something special. But anyways, yeah, they have science back behind it. Love that. And it's luxurious. So yeah, so far so good. I've only been using it for about a week now. Oh, look at it. By KCG, the New York Powders. Oh, so this is like a highlighter, or is this for your eyes? I'm not going to swatch it because I'll probably give this one to you guys. Oh! I forgot about the little things in it. They're everywhere. The shade name is Allerton, but I think this can do as, well, like most makeup, you can use as you want, but a highlight or for your eyes. And you probably want to use a wet brush when you apply it. It's like this gold shimmery color, perfect for a holiday box. And these little things are everywhere. 2 more things to go. Oh, Milk Makeup. I've used this before, and I've gotten this in another box recently too, and a while ago, but this is one of their blush sticks. I use their bronzer stick like this, the full size. It's their baked bronzer in the shade brown, I think. I don't know, I can look if anyone cares, but it's lasting forever. So a little size like this is all you need, especially if you're just trying them out. This is a lip and cheek product. Yeah, work, lip, and cheek. And it is a pretty color. Let me show you, but I'm not going to swatch it. There's a little thing overhead, but yeah. I feel like a lot of people would look great in this color, and I love products you can use on both your lips and cheeks. I use them all the time. And then last but not least, we have a hair product by Fecca. Oh, fuck. I don't know. I should know how to say this by now. I feel like one of you guys corrected me before. But this is their clean, vegan, sustainable CBD scalp calming shampoo for fine to medium hair. That was a lot of stuff. For $28, we got that face palette, and I think that is great. Or was that in the last thing? No, these are all in this one, right? I don't know. I'm like totally like out of my mind right now. Not out of my mind. I had like the congested cold brain going on. That was the last box. But in this one, yeah, we got 2 makeup products, lip mask, that Neolastin. Does it talk more about it here? It's suitable for all skin types, has anti-aging, hydrating moisture. The full size is $56. 56 is my number. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff in there. And sorry, I said something about the LA Splash palette. I'm just still obsessed with that moon thing. But that was everything for the holiday limited edition box for $28. Now let's move on to the last box by Look Fantastic. And this is what it looks like. Pink, pink, purple, and fun. And this is their December box. And it's normally $19 a month, but I believe at the link below you can get it for $16 and you get $70 worth of value. Ooh, and you get a mixture of full size and deluxe size. But I see some full size items. Usually there's a little pamphlet on top. Did I accidentally get rid of that? I peeked. I did totally peeked earlier. Oh no, I don't know. But it usually comes with something that like this. And it did have one, but I think I misplaced it and probably threw it away when I was cleaning last night. But anyways, the first thing we have here is the Glow Satin Sleep Mask. I love that it's gold. And I like that it's satin too. These are really nice. Especially if you like sleep weird hours or like it's really bright in your bedroom in the mornings. Those are super nice. I've always wanted to try one of these. This is the Hollywood Browser Hair Removal and Dermaplaning Tool. I see like beauty YouTubers like getting the little peach fuzz off their face. I have this like fear. I think I heard it when I was younger that like if you do that, it'll grow back darker and thicker. I don't know. Can one of you, anyone that's tried something like this and got the peach fuzz off their face, did that happen? Did it grow back worse or the same? Mine's not awful, but I do notice it like in the light and it doesn't really bother me enough. I want to use it more for my like brows. Because plucking, I get really red. I used to get my eyebrows threaded, but it would be red for days, like same with waxing. So I'm really excited to try this out. Oh yeah, they're showing before and after for brows and the face. It includes 1 browser and 1 protective pouch. It's good for eyebrows, sideburns, peach fuzz, upper lip, chin, bikini line. I'm really excited about this. I love when I get things I don't have already because I have a lot of things, you know, subscription boxes, but that's awesome. And then we have something by Starskin, this Starskin VIP with a gold mask, revitalizing luxury gold foil eye mask. Ooh, and I see bright like coral blush by Lottie London. And the shade is Haze. Let me open it. Oh, yeah, it's ombre. Didn't I just say that word ombre? You can see it more when it's open, but this is really pretty. Elemis. I've used this before. I like it. It's a Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I've liked all the items, especially the moisturizer in this line. And then one more thing. It looks like another makeup item. Awesome. By Spotlight. This is a highlighter pencil. Ooh, and Pearl. I used to use something like this all the time for my waterline. I should start doing that again. It was like a highlight pencil, but I use it in my waterline because it's like white or a little bit like silvery, and it makes you look more awake. And I haven't done that in a while. I should try that out and see if it helps like distract from my puffiness at least, especially now that I injured my face a little bit. Not injured, but had a reaction. But that was everything, you guys. So 4 boxes, all beauty. Let me know what you think. And sorry if my energy's off or weird and that I haven't been around. Me and my girl have been a little sick, but I hope you guys had a great holiday. Remember to enter my giveaway. If you're interested, I want to give back to my subscribers, so thank you so much. And already set, probably add some of this to next month's giveaway. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great holiday. Let me know your thoughts on the boxes and just how you're doing. I miss talking to you guys, but that's it. I hope you're safe and healthy. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.